Hey, you ever use Prezi? It's like my favorite tool ever for for Zoom. You can literally add text to any meeting. Let's go with Prezi Camera. Here, on the fly slides, on the fly slides. What? Check that out. You could also change the templates. Watch this. I like this template better. I like this template better. I don't know. Pretty cool. Anyway, Prezi is the name of this program, and this is not what we're talking about today. Chat notes. We're talking about personal chat notes. I did a video on this yesterday on how I use Zoom to actually keep notes throughout the day. I literally use Zoom chat to keep notes throughout the day. Zoom personal chat is specifically what I'm talking about. You can actually have the ability to, inside of Zoom, have your own personal chat container. At the top, you know what? If the top of the screen of your chat, you're going to see a chat to you, a personal chat to yourself. It's already created by default inside of your Zoom chat client. And what I do with this is I use this as my personal repository for all things that I need throughout the day. I'm fully aware that I can keep files in OneDrive or Box or G Drive or any number of personal drives that I might have, even physically on my machine. I can do that. But I also am aware I can put my files inside of Zoom chat. Therefore, when I'm in Zoom chat, because I'm in Zoom chat 99% of the day, when I'm not in Zoom chat, I'm in Zoom meetings or in Zoom phone calls or in Zoom webinars. The point is, I stay in Zoom all the time. Full disclosure, I do work for Zoom. I am a full-time employee of Zoom. And I am not a figurehead for Zoom. I am not a spokesman for Zoom by any means. I just like to talk about cool technology. And sometimes, most of the time, it has to do with the cool stuff Zoom is doing. So last time I talked about personal chat as using it as my notes. I know you can use OneNote. I know you can use Word. I know you can use Notepad. Anything to keep notes, physical pieces of paper. I keep notes in my Zoom chat. And here's how I do it. Like daily activities. I could literally be daily task. I could literally be inside of my my Zoom chat. And I could actually bullet point stuff throughout the day. Right? Get the dog. Pick up kids. Feed kids. Feed dog. You know what? Feed dog. Anyway, you can get the point. Feed kids. I can then send myself a message, and this message is built inside of my Zoom chat. I can then share this with other people too. What if I have a bunch of people in my org that are working for me, direct reports that are working for me, and I just wrote a daily task list of all the things that need to get done? Guess what I can do with that? I can then share this message with the team. Say I have a collaboration with Amy. Say I want to share that with her. I can actually share that whole chat message that I just created, that bullet point of tasks, literally send it to Amy. And now Amy, her team has it built inside of that collaboration. See right here, collaboration, right here. This chat I just sent to Amy is now in our chat channel. I can literally send this to anyone or any channel. That's kind of the beauty of it. Did you know you can also leave yourself video messages? You can record a video message right here. It says video message right here at the very bottom. I can't do it because I'm in the middle of a meeting, but you get the point is I can leave myself video messages to remind myself of things to do. I actually made one right here. I can actually play it right here. It's actually going to play right inside. I can record up to a 3-minute message and then share this message inside of any chat or channel. There you go. How crazy is that? It is crazy. I could share this video message with any person or channel now right from Zoom chat. So what was left as maybe a video idea that I had that I wanted to share with somebody, I can now share that with an individual person and or channel. So I want to send it to MOD administrator. I want to share that entire file. When I'm chatting with the MOD administrator, look what I just sent. I just sent that video recording message right to MOD admin. I can literally do that with audio recordings as well. Down here, you can leave yourself voice messages, or you can leave voice messages for your team or coworkers. Now, when I send myself a voice message and I want to share that with somebody, maybe a reminder, I can literally share that same reminder with somebody else. Share that same message. What if you're a developer or a coder and you need to leave yourself sample code? Again, right here, I can really see all this sample code in a text file that I actually created as an example. So we'll just do it another example real quick. What if you're a nerd, a developer or engineer, and you need to share code or have code reviewed? There's literally a code button in Zoom chat. I can literally hit code and just type in sample code, please. And I can create whatever file it is. Just say it's a simple text file because I'm just writing some simple code snippets. I pasted that code snippet right there. I can tell the number of lines. I can wrap it around. I can now create that snippet into my Zoom chat, and I kept it here as a note. Am I fully aware that you can keep it in GitHub and all these other programs and PowerShell? Yeah, I'm fully aware. But now it's all in one spot right now. I don't have to go to several spots to find all this information that I use on a daily basis. It's literally in my Zoom personal chat. And as you guessed it, should I want to share that code with somebody, I can now share that code with another person. We'll just do admin again because he's right here. And then look, if I go to the admin text, right here, I'm texting back and forth with the admin, and now the admin can review my code and send it back to me. I can then use that code and send it to wherever I need to send it. The point is, I now have the power to create Zoom chat as a personal repository for my notes, my messages, my recorded messages, my code, files. All that stuff's built in right here. I can literally see all the files I've uploaded to my chat right here, my personal chat. Only I have access to these files. So I use Prezi a lot. I just showed you a way to use Prezi. I actually have a bunch of Prezi files, and I use these templates according to the talk track that I'm talking with a customer or vendor. I can pull these up immediately right from here. All my bookmark messages, all my options, everything built into this platform. I can now basically keep notes right here if I want to. And then I can share those notes. What about if I'm in the middle of a meeting and I have a meeting with a bunch of my colleagues or coworkers or direct reports? I'm keeping notes throughout the individual meeting. It's not in a separate program. It's not in a text file, a Word file, a OneNote drive. It's literally in my Zoom chat. And then I can share those notes immediately with my colleagues and coworkers by writing. Say there's a bunch of notes right here. I can literally just share that message with any team that I send. So I might have a team, again, we'll just make it easy. I think there's another team called, what is it called? Let's just see if it's Microsoft Compete or something like that, I think, right? Isn't that one of my teams? I think it is. Maybe not. I thought it was. Anyway, say this is my team. I can share that with Amy as well, with my team Amy. All right, that's the way I keep notes. That's just how I do it. I literally don't have to use any other program. I can literally use one program for all my notes, all my video notes, all my audio notes, all my file notes, everything in one spot all the time. Now, I don't know if Zoom intended for me to do it this way. I just leverage the ability to do it because it's easy for me. And this is just one way I keep notes. All right, hope that was helpful.